in class 9. Today we will continue the second chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure with the topic Solution. So let's start. When we dissolve sugar in water, we get a mixture of sugar in water. This is called solution. Similarly, we have seen the salt solution. Soft drink is also an example of solution. Alcohol in water. These all are the examples of solution. The substance which we dissolve in a liquid, that is called solute, and the liquid in which substance dissolved is called solvent. It means in this solution, this is the sugar solution. These sugar particles are solute and water is solvent. We can define the solute and solvent as substance which dissolve in liquid is called solute, and a liquid in which solute dissolve is called solvent. By dissolving solute in solvent, we get a solution. This mixture, solute in solvent, is called solution. Aqueous solution is the solution in which solute always dissolve in water. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. When two or more substances mix together and the composition of substances throughout same, this type of mixture is called solution. For example, sugar in water, salt in water. We have observed that the sweetness and saltness of sugar and salt is everywhere same in water when it completely dissolves. It means this is a type of homogeneous mixture. We have several examples of solution like copper sulfate solution, alcohol in water, soft drink is also an example of solution because carbonated gas are dissolved in a liquid. Students, see here in this solution, sugar when we dissolve in water, after some time on stirring, it completely dissolves. We cannot separate this mixture by using the filter paper. When we filter this mixture, we get a filtrate without any residue. Students, to study the properties of a solution, we will try to observe by taking a solution of sugar. This is sugar solution. When it dissolves completely in water, sugar particles break down in such an extent to dissolve in water. If we pass the light through this solution, it cannot scatter the beam of light. It means in solution, solute particles is very small. When we pass a beam of light through this solution, we will observe that it cannot reflect the light. So the path will not visible. On the basis of this, now we will discuss the properties of solution. Students, now we will discuss the properties of solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Composition of these substances in the solution throughout same. Second, the size of solute particles are very small. It is less than 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Due to this small size of solute particle, it does not scatter the beam of light when light is passes through the solution. Hence, path of light does not visible. The small size of solute in the solution we cannot see even by using microscope, and the solution cannot be separated by filtration method. Now we will discuss the types of solution. Students, mostly we know that solution is a solid dissolving liquid. But except this, we have the other solution also that are solid in solid solution. Example of this is metal alloys. For example, brass. This is a mixture of two metals, copper and zinc. When 80% of copper mixed with 20% of zinc to form brass. Bronze. This is also a solution of solid in solid. It is formed by the mixing of copper with tin. Sn is the symbol of tin. When 90% of copper mixed with 10% of tin to form bronze. This solution is a homogeneous mixture. The composition is fixed. Second type of solution we have solid in liquid. Here the solute is solid and solvent is liquid. This solution is very familiar with us. For example, sugar solution. Sugar is a solid dissolved in water. Sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Third type of solution we have solution of liquid in liquid. Here solute is liquid and solvent is also liquid. Example of this type of solution is alcohol, in water, vinegar. Vinegar solution is also an example of liquid in liquid because acetic acid present in water, that is the vinegar solution. Next type of solution we have solution of gas in liquid. We use the soft drink, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. They all are the examples of solution of gas in liquid. Carbon dioxide gas present in water, that is. And the fifth type of solution, that is gas in gas. Air is a mixture of gases. Several gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, these all are present in air. So this is the example of solution of gas. It means not only the solid in liquid solution, there are 5 types of solutions are also. Next day we will discuss about the colloidal solution. Thank you.